Right, so I want you to sew a strip of fabric onto there, yeah, along there, 1 centimetre, and then we'll then bring that one up to it and trim that off.
Perfect.
It's not a good one, it's good.
Put that.
Yeah.
So then that, she wants you to stitch that to the seam that you've already got here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Stitch that like that. Make sure you got some hanging over both ends so that you can adjust it. So stitch that onto there, and then we're going to flip that over, and then we're going to stitch it to the line that you've got on that one.
Perfect. Thank you.
And that's where we're taking it off. Yeah, so them two are going to match up like that.
Brilliant.
But that would be your new, this is your new shoulder line.
Right.
So you're going to sew them two together, meeting them two lines are going to meet together. It's a bit tough, this stand. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad.
Oh, perfect match.
Perfect.
You've done this before.
Fair enough.
I think she's gone getting calico.
My page?
Yeah, you're going to put it on your page
Oh my God.
and then get your stuff.
Oh, I cringe, you know. I cringe at things like this.
Jackie's not in there.
Yeah, I've been trying to get calico. I did tell her.
I'm going to trim that one off there now, but what we need to do is get the block out now because we need to mark it on the block.
Finger knitting.
Yeah, finger knitting.
Yeah, that.
There you go.
No.
Stick that behind there
Yeah.
with some sellotape. And then you just, because this one we're adding on, aren't we? So then you're going to line that square up with the shoulder line and then draw it in like that.
That's my centimetre.
That's your centimetre, we need to stick it down obviously. Right. And then just continue.
And we don't put any seam allowance on the neckline, do we?
No,
Okay.
no, and there's no seam allowance on there. Bring your dart up to there and re-notch it.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.